What's up, guys? It's YT. Well, no. Okay, guys, so it's the MJ Mods Jam Gamer here, and right now I'm just having a little trouble with my YouTube name. Right now it's Donovan and Gasso, but it should be MJ Mods Jam Gamer. So if that confused you a little. But today I'm just gonna do an unboxing video for the extremely rare Max D. I don't even know how I found this. I looked on eBay, Target, Walmart, Amazon, and even on Google, and I couldn't find anything. But I found it in store at Walmart, and it was the last one. So, time to open it. I have some scissors. Okay. I guess I have this put up. I want to do it. There it is. Oh my god, this thing looks so cool. I mean, this thing looks awesome, honestly, guys. I can't put the link in the description below, sadly, because I couldn't find this online, but just try to look at Amazon. But now I'm gonna add it to my collection, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I didn't fully put it in the collection because I want to show you. I have a little red Max D, big one, and I want to show you every single big and little match. So I have this one, new match. Let's turn the spotlight over to my monster trucks. You have to look down. Let's get a nice clean view of it. No, you probably want it down a little further down. So here is my long line, and let's put these two in. Okay. Big one. We put the little one at the end. So let's actually go through and find matches. Let's see. So we have a white Max D, a big one, and a little white Max D. Okay. Then we have a big Pirates Cross and a little Pirates Cross. Then we have a big dragon and a little dragon. Then we have, and shout out to my friend for giving me the small version. This the body broke off for King Crush and King Crush. So that is all for today, guys. Wait on. Just put it back. There you go. Here's my new updated collection of monster trucks. This whole entire thing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like. I got a good after. Yeah, these are my monster trucks. I have 10 big ones, 28 little ones, and yeah. You guys enjoyed this video? Please, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.